Are you ready for more train action? Speedy is back, but we've got all new train engines too. But we still have our favorite numbers. So get ready, because here we go! Hold it, that's not Speedy. What train is this?
It is I, Sneaky Von Rail Train.
Sneaky Von Rail Train? I've never heard of you.
I think that you soon will.
I don't like the sound of that. That is rather strange. I wonder what this Sneaky Von Rail car is doing in the train yard today. Ah! There's Speedy. Hi, Speedy.
Hi, Dave. Hi, everybody.
Look, Speedy's carrying his 7 numbers again. Oh, hey, Speedy, it looks like one of your numbers is falling over. Come on back and I'll fix that for you.
Oh, thanks, Dave. That'd be great.
Oh, it's the 6 that's falling down. Don't go too fast, Speedy. Oh.
Yikes. I think my number 1 just fell down, too.
Not to worry, Speedy. That should be easy to fix. Come on up here, and I'll straighten those numbers out for you.
Thank you.
There, I'll get that number 1. I think it's good. And let me get that number 6. Make sure it stays in there nice and strong.
Oh, that's much better.
Since you're here, why don't we give those cars a little count? Wait a second. Was that Sneaky Von Rail Train? I thought I saw Sneaky.
Sneaky? Who is Sneaky?
That guy with the stripes! Well, that was weird, but he's gone now. I might as well count. 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 4. Wait a second. What? That 6, 5, 6, 3, 2. What? It's all wrong. What's going on here, Speedy? Oh, the 4 and the 6 somehow got reversed. It's supposed to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, I think we got it. Let me just do a quick double check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, Speedy. You're good to go, buddy.
I'm off.
Okay, bye, Speedy. Oh, wait. Stop. You lost your number 7 car. It came off the track there. Don't worry. We'll just pop it right back on the track. And maybe if you back up, you can pick it up again. Perfect. Nice job, Speedy. Okay, try that again. Bye, Speedy.
Thanks, Dave.
It's Speedy the Number Train. It's Speedy the Number Train. It's Speedy. It's Speedy the Number Train.
Hold it. Did that weird thing just happen again? Wait a second. Is that Sneaky Von Rail Car? It is Sneaky Von Rail Car. Did he just mess up the numbers again? No? Oh, I think we better go see. Hold on, Speedy. We're going to need to check your numbered cars.
Yeah, something doesn't seem right here.
Let's see what we got. We got a 4, a 7, a 6, a 1, a 3, a 5, and a 2. No, that's not right at all. It's all mixed up.
What? Check again.
4, 7, 6, 1, 3, 5, 2. It's not right at all. We're going to need to fix this. Let's see. We'll take the 1 because we know that goes first. We'll put that in the first car. Take out that 4. And then put the 4. There we go. Take out the 7. That's got to go at the end. And then the 2 goes in the second spot. That's looking a little better. Now what else can we do? 1, 2. No, this will go 1, 2, 6. Take that 6 out. 3. That's what we want. Take the 6 out. Put the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That looks right.
Good job, Dave. You fixed it. The proper counting is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
All right, good stuff there, Speedy. You can head on out. Wait, what? Did you just see Sneaky Von Rail Train again? Oh no. I don't know. I mean, we just got it fixed. What has he done now?
Hey Dave, let me sing the song.
Okay.
It's Speedy the Number Train, it's Speedy the Number Train, it's Speedy.
Hold it. Back it up, Speedy. Something's definitely wrong here. What do we got?
Better count again, Dave.
1, 2, 3, 4, potato, 6, 7. Looks all good. Wait. Potato? That's not right. I don't have a potato between the numbers 4 and 6.
It should be 5, Dave. 5.
Oh yeah, the number 5.
Who keeps doing that?
It is I, Sneaky Von Rail Train.
Sneaky Von Rail Train? Why do you keep messing with my numbers?
Because I am sneaky. Ah.
Well, Dave's gonna fix my numbers, and then I'm not gonna let you do that anymore.
That's right. I'm going to take the number 5 and I'm going to replace the potato with that number 5. And then we're going to have a proper sequence. A sequence is a correct ordering of numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Thanks for fixing my numbers.
What? Sneaky Von Rail Train? Those aren't your numbers, those are Speedy's.
It's Sneaky the Number Train. It's Sneaky the Number Train. It's Sneaky. It's Sneaky. It's Sneaky. The Number Train. I'm Sneaky Von Rail Train.
I don't believe this. He's even stealing the song. Well, I guess he's at least got the numbers in the right sequence. But we gotta get those numbers back.
I'm on it, Dave. Here I go.
Look at that. Speedy's gonna catch Sneaky. And he's used his couplers to grab the back of the train cars.
Give me back those numbers.
Oh, look at that. Speedy's wheels are turning as he's trying to pull the train backwards. You can do it, Speedy. He's doing it. It's starting to come. Attaboy, Speedy.
I'm taking all the numbers back.
It's a train tug-of-war. Go, Speedy, go.
What? What is going on here? Stop that back there. Right now.
Don't give up, Speedy.
I'm gonna keep pulling until I get my numbers.
Well, you can't have them.
And I'm gonna drag you all the way around the crane yard.
What? I'm slipping. I'm losing control. Okay, I give up already. You can have your numbers back.
Look. Sneaky Von Rail Train is uncoupling the rail cars with the numbers. He's let them go.
I'm leaving. You guys aren't worth my sneakiness.
Ha ha! Bye, Sneaky Von Rail Train.
That means I can go get my numbers.
It sure does, Speedy. It sure does. Go pick 'em up.
I got 'em.
You sure do, Speedy. Why don't you take those numbers for a lap? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It's Speedy the Number Train. It's Speedy the Number Train. It's Speedy. It's Speedy.
It's Speedy.
The Number Train. It's Speedy the Number Train.
If you'd like to watch another video, click the bottom box and check it out.
No, Click the top one.
Don't listen to those Zuzus.
Top one.
And if you'd like to join us on our next adventure, click the circle to subscribe.
Potato.